When the weather warms up in Michigan, businesses in the Lansing area need a way to cool off and dehumidify their space. Rather than having on-site cooling systems, which often have a large footprint and can be hard to maintain, several downtown buildings, like the state of Michigan, use chilled water for their air conditioning from Lansing Board of Water and Light's Roy E. Peffley plant. It's very effective for dehumidifying during warm, wet months, and is also incredibly efficient and cost-effective. Situated in downtown Lansing, the Roy E. Peffley chilled water plant was built in 2009 and provides chilled water to cool 17 businesses in the Lansing area, including the State of Michigan offices. The state-of-the-art 4-story automated facility pipes water at 42 degrees Fahrenheit to downtown office buildings, used in place of building-mounted air conditioning units.
What we do here at the Peffley Chilled Water Facility is, it's just like your refrigerator at home. It chills. One big giant box that cools the water down to go to our customers in downtown Lansing. And how we do this is we use refrigerant. Refrigerant goes across the tubes in a gaseous state, then in turn is turned back into a liquid, and this process continues until the chilled water is at optimum temperature to go back to our customers.
At Peffley, this is a highly automated process that takes place in this state-of-the-art facility. The plant operates on a closed-loop system, sending chilled 42-degree water throughout downtown and back. The chilled water then returns as warm 52-degree water in these sky blue pipes. Inside the plant, the pipes are insulated. Insulation on cold pipes is exceptionally important to prevent condensation.
Have you ever seen how a water bottle sweats on a warm day? The liquid on the inside of the bottle is cooler than the air on the outside. Just like a water bottle, our product inside is cooler than the outside air. Condensation forms on the outside, which is where the product on the inside will lose its efficiency and not stay cool. In order for us to deliver a quality product to our customers, we must insulate our pipes.
A chiller applies cycles of compression and expansion to utilize the unique thermodynamic properties of a refrigerant to facilitate the transfer of heat out of the chilled water loop and to the cooling towers, where the heat is ultimately discharged into the environment. The facility includes an electric panel for chiller motors and various pumps. Maintenance is done yearly, often in winter or spring before the peak of when it's needed.
The process of chilled water is scalable. During the summer months is when we have a high demand for chilled water to our customers. At any given time, we do run 3 to 4 chillers at a time, while during the winter months, the demand is low. So we will only run 1 chiller to meet demand during the winter months.
To learn more, visit lbwl.com.